Hello to you and all my relatives out there. Today, I want to share a video with you of a friend who was visiting over the weekend. Now, understand that I don't do this to all my friends, but this was just a little ridiculous because we're like driving down the street and I'm speechless. I don't know. So anyway, watch the video, have a few laughs, and friend, sorry dude. I don't know how many times I watched that video, but I laugh every time. But in a friendly type way. I'm not laughing at him, I'm laughing with him, really. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you later. Remember, you are the beads on my moccasin, the grease in my fry bread, and the cash in my casino. Miigwech.